What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape unlimited influencers automatically using Claude. So let's get started. In Claude, we're going to create a skill that will be responsible for scraping our influencers. In this case, the influencers could be from either Instagram or TikTok. To create a skill that will be responsible for scraping our influencers, in Claude, I'm going to click on Customize right here and click on Skills. Then here I'm going to click on Create a Skill. Then I'm going to create a skill using Claude. I'm going to hit Enter so I can describe the skill that would like Claude to generate for us right here. Here we're telling Claude, create a skill that identifies and extracts Instagram influencer profiles based on a given niche, set of keywords, hashtags, or competitor accounts. The skill should collect and structure key influencer data, including their username, profile link, bio, follow account, engagement rate, content niche, and available contact information. The output must be automatically added to a Google Sheet. The columns I would like to add to a spreadsheet are username, profile link, bio, follow account, engagement rate, niche, and contact information. Then we're telling Claude the final result should be a clean, organized spreadsheet ready for influencer outreach, marketing campaigns, and lead generation. Now to create our skill, I just hit enter right here to create our skill. So let's give it a second or two for it to create our skill. So here you can see it created our Instagram influencer finder skill over here. To install our skill here, we're going to download its zip file and upload the zip file to our skill so you can see how it works. So now to upload the zip file to our skills, head over to skills, and here I'm going to click on upload the skill. And we're going to upload the zip file right here. And here now you can see our Instagram influencer finder skill, as you can see over here. This is incredible. So now to make changes to our skill, you can edit it right here using Claude if you'd like to make any changes. But I think it's perfect. To use our skill to scrape influencers from Instagram, here I'm going to search for our skill. Choose this skill right here. I'm going to tell Claude, find me 10 Instagram fitness coaches in strength training or bodybuilding and add their username, profile link, followers, engagement rate, and contact information into a structured Google Sheets with each field in its own column. So now to scrape our 10 Instagram fitness coaches using our skill in Claude, hit enter right here. And now let's give it a minute or two for it to scrape our influencers for us. So here you can see it successfully found our 10 fitness coaches from Instagram. This is really incredible. Then it went ahead and added the influencers to our spreadsheet. So here we're going to open this link and preview our influencers. So you can see the username, profile link, followers, engagement rate, and niche, and their contact information right here. This is really impressive. So we successfully scraped these fitness influencers. You can see they have millions of followers from Instagram automatically right here in Claude using our skill that we created right here in Claude. This is really incredible. We can try scraping influencers from a different niche using our skill. So to do that here, I'm going to use our Instagram influencer finder skill. We can tell Claude, using our skill, find me 20 beauty influencers and add the username, profile link, followers, engagement rate, and contact information into a structured Google Sheet with each field in its own column. Now to find the Instagram influencers and add them to the spreadsheet, and hit enter. I can give it a minute or two for it to find our beauty influencers and add the influencers to a spreadsheet. successfully found 20 beauty influencers from Instagram and added them to a spreadsheet right here. This is incredible. So you're classifying them according to how famous they are. So you can see the mega famous ones, macro famous ones, and the mid-tier famous ones right here. And we added to our spreadsheet. So to preview our influencers, here I'm going to open this link, and here you can see our influencers, 20 of them. You can see the username, their profile link, followers, engagement rate, niche, their contact information right here. This is incredible. Successfully scraped these beauty influencers from Instagram and added the influencers to a spreadsheet right here automatically using the skills that we created right here in Claude. You can try scraping 20 more influencers from a different niche. For example, here we can use our skill to scrape 20 Instagram travel influencers and add their username, profile link, followers, engagement rate, and contact information to a structured Google Sheet with each field on its own column. To find the influencers and add them to a spreadsheet, I'm going to hit enter right here to scrape the influencers. And then let's give it a minute or two for you to scrape the influencers for us. Successfully found our 20 influencers and added the influencers to a spreadsheet right here. So here are the 20 influencers. You can see them right here. Classified according to luxury and lifestyle travel, adventure and landscape photography, family and couple travel, solo female travel, fashion travel and aesthetics, and lastly budget and backpacking. This is incredible. Then proceed to add influencers to our spreadsheet right here. You can open this link to preview them. And here you can see our 20 travel influencers that we scraped automatically using Claude. You can see the username, profile URLs, followers, engagement rate, the niche, and the contact information right here. On the same way we are scraping the influencers from Instagram, you can easily scrape them from TikTok by creating a specific skill that will be responsible for scraping the influencers from TikTok. So you can try scraping influencers from a different niche using our skill one last time. We're going to use our Instagram influencer finder skill and tell Claude, find me 20 Instagram tech influencers based in the US and the UK, and then add the username, profile link, followers, engagement rate, location, and contact information into a structured Google Sheets with each field in its own column. To find the influencers and add them to a spreadsheet, I'm going to hit enter here. And then we're going to give it a minute or two for it to scrape our list for us. So here you can see it successfully scraped our influencers for us. So we wanted 20 Instagram tech influencers from the US and the UK. So he successfully split the influencers by country and subniche. Got 12 influencers from the US and 8 from the UK. Then we successfully added them to our spreadsheet right here. So here I'll open. So here you can see we successfully scraped our 20 influencers right here. Here the username, profile URLs, follow account, engagement rate, the location, niche, and their contact information right here. This is really incredible. These are the 20 tech influencers that we automatically scraped using Claude and added to a spreadsheet right here. So all we did was create the skill, or we told the Claude exactly what we wanted to do. Using our skill right here, we successfully scraped our 20 influencers right here and added them to a spreadsheet over here. So these are the tech influencers, these are the travel influencers, these are the beauty influencers, And these were the fitness coaches we scraped from Instagram. This is incredible. We successfully scraped these influencers from Instagram automatically using the skill that we created right here in Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you've subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.